All right, in this example, I will be showing you how to add an event listener to the canvas. So let's just start off. What I normally do in these little short tutorials is initialize the canvas that's stored in our canvas variable, and then we get the context to the canvas and we store that in our CTX variable. And then we use that to uh, use the draw commands, the CTX fill rect. In this case, we're drawing a big box in the entire canvas area, colored green, and a smaller box, red, closer to the center. So let's just compile this and see what we get. And if I go to our browser here, let's just refresh. And so here we go, exactly what I described. But if I click, nothing's happening inside the canvas area and outside. And that's because I have the code for this commented. And right now I will uncomment. So what this should do is add an event listener to the canvas. Remember our canvas variable, and it's called handle mouse click. And if we go to handle mouse click, we see the following code inside. So this should display mouse was clicked in canvas area and the following variables. So let's save this and compile again. Back to our browser, refresh, and now if I click, we get some information here. And if you notice, the offset X and the offset Y variables here are different than the X and Y variables. And that's because the offset X starts counting inside your canvas area. So right here is closer to 0, 0, so it's 2, 1. Outside here is these XY variables. So they start from the corner of your browser here. And to make that more clear, I'm just going to jump to our HTML part here, and I will center the canvas. Let me save that and refresh. And so now if I click here, you notice that our X variable, offset X variable is 3, but our X variable is 620. So that it's counting from here to here. So that's 620 pixels away. So when we're using mouse coordinates, we really should be using these values. So I will go back to our code here, and I will enable the mouse move event now. I will comment the click event and save this and recompile again. And this time if we go back, refresh, we can see that it's updating the information as I move the mouse pointer inside. The moment I go outside the canvas area, nothing happens. So everything that inside the canvas area gets reported. So just like the click, every time I move, it triggers that event. So it's that simple, but you're not limited to one or the other. You can have both. So let me save that and recompile again. And if we go back to our browser, so now I can click, you can see, and move, and everything gets reported properly. So there's a lot more mouse events you can add. You would just be creating another event like this and changing the event type here. So the following events you can check out on Mozilla's documentation. There's additional ones, and all you have to do is just change the value here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.